I'm Margaret.
I'm Corey.
And this is
A Pretty Cool Hotel Tour.
A Pretty Cool Hotel Tour has come all the way to Stanchfield, Minnesota for a very special house called Grandpa's Pool House. Corey and I were both raised in the Midwest, so we know it can be hard to express yourself and find your people in a small town. So when we saw this place, we knew it was not just gonna be a house full of fun designs, but also a pretty cool way to build community and bring some pizzazz to the Midwest. I don't think you're gonna be disappointed. Let's check it out.
Welcome to Grandpa's Pool House.
Hello, thank you so much for having us.
Yes, come on in.
Oh my gosh. I'm Margaret.
Hi Margaret, I'm Eva.
Nice to meet you. This is Corey.
Hi Corey.
Corey, say hi.
Hi.
Are you going to start with the main attraction?
I feel like we should.
All right, here, let's dive in. Welcome.
Wow. Okay, I have to ask right off the bat, how much of this was like this when you bought the house?
So this was my grandfather's house, and he built it when he was in his 60s. It was vacant for a couple years, so then I took over it, and it was a lot of it was a lot of work. It was a full renovation of new. I mean, the pool hadn't ran in 25 years.
That's so cool. I love that you are bringing it back to life.
Here's the pink room. This is the master. This is the most popular of the rooms, I would say. Yeah.
I think this is the first room I saw on Instagram, and as soon as I saw this, I was like, dang it, are we gonna have to go to Minnesota? That's so far away.
So this was my grandparents' bedroom, but they didn't look like this, so added the platform and the pink carpet. This is my first chandelier I purchased from Facebook Marketplace. I think there's 7 in the house.
Oh, wow. Do you do most of your Facebook stuff around here?
I'd say 98% of the house is from Facebook Marketplace or thrift stores.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
You're definitely very similar to us. Sometimes people are like, how far did you drive for this thing? And I'll be like maybe like an hour. And really it's like definitely been 3.
Yeah,
I'm like,
yeah.
I don't know. I love the blue.
The main bathroom. Yeah, this
So
was
cute.
original. These things in this.
Oh
So
my
I kinda,
gosh.
This was my starting point.
What is
The hair
this?
dryer. We got, yeah, this is.
You're kidding me. Oh my gosh.
And here's the green room.
Oh.
Lamps, bed frame, shoes, mirror, everything's Facebook Marketplace.
How many years have you been working on getting all this stuff?
Yeah, late 2020, like October
That's
2020.
incredible.
Yeah.
Like the amount of detail and vintage that you already have in that amount of time, like you know what you're doing.
Yes,
Like,
yeah, I'm a
it's like,
serious thrifter.
wow.
This bathroom was the most original in the house, I would say. Like the wallpaper is original.
This just makes me so happy. It's so like the vintage Midwest perfect moment that I'm just,
Right.
I'm obsessed with it. Wow. Oh my gosh.
So yeah, then we
Oh my gosh.
because it's like a big place for real estate, it was like, how can we fit more beds? So this area is kind of like the hangout
Yeah.
bedroom in a way.
Is there a story behind having a full motorcycle down here? Like,
Well, that was another thing where it was like, there's actually no rules, and like seating could be a motorcycle. So it's like just like a seating thing.
I feel like, yeah, your contractor has to have a lot of opinions and feelings about coming here. What is this?
These are the Murphy
Are these beds?
They are.
Oh my Oh my gosh. And people actually sleep on these.
They
like
do,
these
yeah.
are legit mattresses.
Yeah, they came out of the fire
Wait.
department.
That's so cool.
My friends were like, well, don't exclude kids or families or make them feel uncomfortable. And I was like, well, they're welcome. It's not that they can't come, but it's like the house is gonna be what it is. I'm not gonna limit like what I'm doing because
Yeah.
your 5-year-old wants to come. Like there's
love
plenty
that.
of places that 5-year-olds can go. I want an adult fun place, right? Like, and I have a kid. Like, I'm not anti-kid, but it's just
Yeah.
like, you got your shit.
Corey's always like, everywhere is built for kids.
Yes,
Where are the
yes.
places built for adults?
So this is where I try and bring in some masculinity. So guys want to stay here as well. But this is a waterbed, which has gotten mixed reviews too, but I think I got the temperature control figured out.
Oh, wow.
It is. So this is more of the
Wow.
fantasy suites, I feel like, yeah, with the mirror ceiling and the circle bed.
They've got to be vintage
They are,
mirrors.
yeah.
Wow. Yeah, this is amazing. Was this a thrift find too?
This was too, yep.
Oh my gosh, another beautiful chandelier.
Yeah, like people practically give them away. It's
Yeah.
a crazy thing. It's
Well,
like,
because they're out of style. So it's like really great.
I've seen like glass block in bathrooms and I loved it, and I couldn't figure out how to like bring it in, so this
Wow.
worked with that.
Yeah, all
The
of this.
chandelier, yeah.
Was this wood paneling original? Like this,
Yep.
everything, I can't tell what's original because it all looks original.
Thank you.
so I'm-
Yeah, the wood paneling is original.
So cool.
So it's
Wow.
kind of nice that it has like the
Yeah, you get the full
quietness and the creak.
Yep.
in the back.
This is really beautiful.
And I'm more drawn to 80s right now, I feel like.
I used to be so into like 60s, and then I went through a 70s phase, and now I'm in more of an 80s phase.
that
I'm
is
like, oh. I like that you mix it all together too.
When an article came out, there was a guy who was like, that house isn't even 70s. They have, she's talking about the coffee maker and the microwave. I was like, it's not a museum. It's just like what at my house.
Like, oh,
right.
Like, look at this thing.
Right? $125.
You're kidding me.
So this is the dress up area.
You're so nice. You're so nice. You're so trusting.
Well, right. Well, that's kind of the thing where it's like, I love playing dress up when I have all this stuff, and it's like, if something rips or tears, then I just get to go thrifting it and find more cool stuff. Yeah.
So nice though, because a lot of people don't know how to find vintage like this. So it's really cool that you leave a little bit of dress up here.
Right, yeah.
I also feel a little bit like part of the reason I'm obsessed with this house is there's a very strong Midwest undertone. Yeah. Whether it's like sexy Jesus. It is.
But I do like the contrast of, because this is such a religious area. Like it's 5 churches to every bar. It's like so much shame about having fun. It's incredible.
I grew up homeschooled too, and we were very religious. And there was a class about how certain time signatures put your body into a different rhythm, and it led to a sexual feeling.
Certain time signatures.
Like, so let's say a song is like da 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 da, like that's fine. But as soon as a song is like dun 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 dun, it was literally down to the time signature of the beat.
I'm feeling it right now. I think they might be onto something.
It is also very Midwest to me to have someone like you who is like so yourself, so confident. You don't need anyone to tell you what's okay. You don't need permission, but also like look at what surrounds you. Like that is such a Midwest thing to find these gems of like, you have to be confident because everyone around you is like, you're a bad person. So I love
it's like, I know what the hell who I am. So it's like.
Well, thank you so much for showing us this place. I truly don't feel like this is like anything else. Like it's so detailed, so special.
So appreciate you guys coming out.
Yeah.
Explore some more. Have a good night. I don't get worked up easily, so if something breaks, no problem.
I love it.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
My bed don't jiggle jiggle. It flows, 'cause it's a waterbed. You knows.